Hey guys, Brenda here, creator for Saving Our Way in SA. Just putting a quick reminder, Jennifer King and I, we are having a coupon class. Guys, 2 of them and 1 is almost filled. By this weekend, I'm sure we are going to have to close that up. No worries, because we just added a new coupon class today, an additional class so that we can get the rest of you guys in there. So our first class is March the 15th, 1 o'clock at the Bibliotech. Guys, that one is like 90% full already. So if you guys are wanting to, become that savvy shopper, just learning how to maximize your money, you are wanting to build a stockpile from the ground all the way up, guys, and definitely get to our next coupon class. Like I said, guys, it's almost 90% full. So if you guys are looking to go to the Bibliotech location, then guys, like I said, do not hesitate. Get your RSVP today. I did put it the link above so that you guys can go ahead and get your ticket. Now we're having a second class, guys, March the 18th at noon at Mars Pizza. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and also put a link under comments, but there is one above. Now, definitely, come with your friends and family. Go ahead and tell them about Saving Our Way. Get them in here, guys, so that they can become that savvy shopper. They can learn how to also maximize their money so that they can do so much more in their lives, guys, because you got that extra. Can you imagine? Like, look at how much I got, guys. Like, this is incredible, just how many of everything that I have. When I see a deal, it's like I'm gonna go big with it, because while so many people are out there paying full price, I already have it in my stockpile at the lowest out of pocket. So definitely, guys, what you are also looking to do before coming to my coupon class is order your Express News. It is a $1 paper, guys. At the store, you're paying $5 to $6. With me, you're paying only $1. Go to savingourway.com, press on Express News. If you're in the Houston area, I also work hand in hand with the Houston Chronicle, getting you guys a really good deal. But if you're here in San Antonio, it's a $1 paper. You're going to get 5 at the foot of your door every single Sunday. You guys are going to pay $20 a month and getting a $20 gift card for just ordering today. So you don't want to hesitate. You definitely, want to go ahead, guys, and do those few steps so that you guys can save really big. So subscribe to savingourway.com, press on in-person or online coupon class, guys, and go ahead, RSVP, get your ticket if you're doing the in-person, and go ahead and order your Express News so that you can build something like this. Doesn't matter if you build something that is going to be small or big. It's up to you and your actual family size. But you know what? I love that my family's pretty secure, guys. We feel pretty good about if we ever have an emergency. We're not really worried about it, because check out this room, knowing that I got this in, you just got this at that super low out of pocket. So, hey, how are you guys doing now? I'm finally seeing a couple of you guys pop up. So yeah, definitely tag your friends, tag your family. No more excuses. Make 2020 your year to save. There's a ton of you that I am talking to on a daily, and I promise you guys that I was doing a reminder every day. It's been insane, because I'm doing 2 to 3 of them. At least I'm trying, guys, so that I can do my best to help my community and get you guys out there. Now, I can remind you, I can do my lives. I have our new website at Saving Our Way, giving you all the deals. I'm getting the deals, as you can see. Are you? If you guys are not getting the deals and you're still paying full price, like, seriously, do something about it, guys. Get up. We spend so much of our time doing who knows what, but this is definitely something that's going to affect you in a really, really fantastic way and affect your budget in every way, guys. Saving, leaving more money in the bank, and, less money at the register. That's for sure, because you are going to now be using your coupon currency, your coupon money, guys. Less cash money, more coupon currency. All right, guys, if you have any questions, I do have my lead admin that's just totally awesome. She's there for you guys every single day. She can definitely help you out answering questions. All right, guys, like I said, if you like what you see in front of you and you want to build toilet paper, paper towels, trash bags, paper plates, so many things that never is going to expire, get to this coupon class, guys. No joke. Start saving today.